Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. In today's exciting sprouting video, I'm taking you guys with me to Lowe's. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of plant shopping, and so once we get to Lowe's, I'm gonna go ahead and record the entire process as today's video, showing you guys what I got and what I like to get for the season of fall, and so you guys can get a little taste on the fall plants that we have and compare them to your area. So let me go ahead and meet you guys at Lowe's. So Ultimate Gardeners, we made it at Lowe's. I already picked up a few things, so I wanted to show you. So let me go ahead and flip around the camera and show you. Ultimate Gardeners, here's the first thing I got. I got yet another rose, very pretty. And then I got two more pomegrasses, pink muhly grass. See, I'm super happy. I'm still yet to go ahead and choose out of more things. So once I have an update on more things, I'm gonna let you guys know. So yeah, so Ultimate Gardeners, this is the thing I ended up going with. So I am taking the rose. I decided to take these beautiful pink plants that are called the Brazilian Red Hot Alterania. Then I'm gonna get the classic pentis to add some color. So I'm very happy on how these came out. And so yeah, let me go ahead and wrap it up for you. So Ultimate Gardeners, that's gonna be it for this exciting sprouting video. I'm super happy I was able to plant shop today. And so yeah, if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out, just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. Thank you all so much for watching, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.